The next day, I'm ready for a new culinary experience at Gili Lankanfuushi. Enter Chef Hari Govindaraj. Hari has been diligently working away to curate a plant-based menu for Gili Lankanfuushi. This is something extremely unique to Maldives because, guess what? We're in the islands. Seafood is king here. But Hari has been crafting a menu over the year where he thinks he can make travelers such as myself forget about seafood and pivot to enjoying something truly unique, tasty, and totally plant-based. Plant-based in the islands? This I have to see.
The first course we are doing start from the different main ingredients of this dish. Many of them they never tried.
It's like a riddle, something
Yes.
they've used but not tried.
Not tried something. So the first one is aloe vera coconut ceviche. For the first course, we're going to take the aloe vera now.
We need aloe vera.
Yes,
Let's go get
we
it.
need Aloe vera.
Chunky looking
Yes.
leaf. All right, we got our beautiful aloe vera.
Yes. So I'm going to peel it this one. Lemongrass, carrot, lemon leaf, mint, coriander. So we are in coconut milk now,
Yeah.
and we end with some ginger. So now we're going to add some lime juice.
You know what I love about this, and I haven't tasted it so far, is readily available ingredients. You didn't go like too exotic. Everybody has aloe in their garden.
Yes.
You know, the spices are easy to get. And
Exactly.
every single ingredient is super healthy and super nutritious. Really good for you. All right.
Okay.
So it all comes down to how it tastes.
Yes. So go from the bottom, just mix well, and take the aloe vera.
Ooh, that lemongrass. The coconut milk adds some richness, some depth. The lemongrass has its own unique flavor. I could really get behind this.
Oh, thank you.
This is amazing. I am stealing that recipe. That is mine now. I'll take credit for it. Main course, grilled aubergine or eggplants and a barley risotto with a topping of vegetarian cheese. Let's do this.
Okay, we'll start from the marinating the eggplant.
Nice big chunky pieces of eggplant.
And we're going some rosemary. So I'm going some crushed pepper, some sea salt, then some oil.
Ah, I see. So it's basically the marinade for your eggplant.
So put the girl. So now, side by when the eggplant is getting cooked, we can do the risotto. So here, bring some onion, some garlic here.
That smells good.
I'm adding some mushroom now. So you can see the spread, like the flavor of the thyme and the garlic.
Oh yeah,
and
I
the
smell
mushroom. Yes.
it. Incredibly aromatic. We're in an open kitchen, but I smell everything, you know. In goes the barley.
Yes,
Yeah.
barley. It start to release the oil. That's where the smoke coming. That means it's cooked one side. So you can turn the eggplant.
Sorry, vegetarians and vegans, but that looks like a piece of juicy steak. Amazing.
So where your steak is getting ready, I'm going to sear this radish now. Some pepper. I'm adding some cheese here now for the risotto.
That just thickened up immediately.
Yes.
And you know what's amazing about that? Rather than animal-based fats, it's all plant-based fats.
Yes.
It's incredible.
Again, this cheese also is not necessarily you need to go find the macadamia nuts or anything. Again, I'm telling you, whatever the nuts is available in your place, just find it. That's so simple.
I'm a die-hard meatitarian, you know?
Okay.
But here in the Maldives, I came in with the mindset of seafood galore. And then here at Gili, it's just a different story. I am super impressed with it. Like, my mouth is already watering. That smells incredible. That looks incredible. I can't wait to taste it and see how it all comes together.
Thank you. Yes. See, you can see the radish, the sear. Yes.
That looks like scallops. Incredible. Wow.
Take the eggplant, your steak.
There's our eggplant.
Now I'm going the seared radish.
I've done surf and turf so many times all over the planet, but I am not just saying this because you're here. That looks incredibly appetizing, like way more appealing right now than a traditional surf and turf. I can't believe I'm saying that. What's wrong with me?
Okay, I'm going a little bit chimichurri here.
Wow, 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 wow. So I'm gonna
Okay.
start with the eggplant. Wow.
You like it?
I mean, I know eggplant when you grill it is already delicious.
Yes.
But what gets me is how rich and flavorful it is. Oh my goodness.
That's coming only from the rosemary and the smoked grill. That's it.
And the chimichurri
Yes.
sauce. This is incredible. I can't even tell that it's a radish anymore. That's incredible. I can totally get behind this philosophy, Hari. You've totally flipped a switch in my mind that I didn't know existed. That is incredible. Okay, so on to the barley risotto. In this whole trip throughout the Maldives, that's like the biggest taste of comfort food I've had so far. You know,
great.
this risotto right here. Creamy, rich. It's got the right bite, you know. Oh,
And
more
you can
chimichurri.
try- No, here with the risotto also, chimichurri really will work.
Oh, interesting. Not gonna argue with that. Insane, you know, the earthiness from the mushrooms. It's like almost a dual contrast, the creaminess from the cheese and then the bite of the barley.
Barley, yeah.
Wow. So what's my verdict? Did I forget all about seafood with Chef Hari's menu? You bet I did. What I experienced was truly inventive. The nuances of all the herbs, spices really made the fresh vegetables pop. This was one meal where I can honestly, hand on heart, say I did not miss meat at all. And this is the sort of culinary adventure Gili Lankanfuushi wants to offer its guests.